Assalamu alaikum, I'm Engineer Hamna Shakil. In this video, we are going to learn how to draw polygon in AutoCAD. In the draw panel, go to this rectangle icon and click this down arrow and select polygon. AutoCAD will ask you to specify the number of sides of polygon. So you can specify any number of sides starting from 3 and onwards. Let's specify 5 for a pentagon and press enter. AutoCAD then asks you to specify the center of the polygon, or there is another option of specifying the edge. So you can select either edge or you can specify the center of the polygon. Once you specify, let's say, the center, it asks you whether you want your polygon to be inscribed in a circle or you want your polygon to be circumscribed about a circle. Let's first understand what is meant by inscribed in a circle and circumscribed about a circle. On the screen, you can see 3 pentagons. One is circumscribed, the other one is inscribed, and the last one is by defining the edge length. When you invoke the polygon command, that you can do by either clicking on the polygon icon in the draw panel, or you can use the command polygon or its alias POL. Once you invoke the polygon command, it asks you to either specify the center or you can specify the edge length. If you select center option, it will further ask you whether you want circumscribed polygon or you want an inscribed polygon. When you select any of these two options, it will further ask you to specify the radius. So here you can see the circumscribed polygon. Here the polygon is circumscribed about a circle. Here you have the center of the circle and this here is the radius of the circle. And you can see that this polygon, in this case it is a pentagon, a 5-sided figure, it is circumscribed about a circle. In the second one, here is the center of the circle and this is the radius of the circle. And in this case, the polygon is inscribed in the circle. And in the last one, you specify the edge length. You don't have to specify the center or the radius of the circle. You just specify the edge length and AutoCAD will make a regular polygon having the specified sides. For example, in this case, we are taking sides equal to 5. Let's try these 3 options out. Invoke the polyline command, press enter. Specify the number of sides. We are going to go with 5, press enter. Specify the center of the polygon. You can either specify it by typing the coordinates or you can simply click on the screen. Once you click on the screen, it asks you whether you want an inscribed circle or a circumscribed circle. Let's select circumscribed circle first and specify the radius. So we are going to select a radius of 15. Press enter. Let's invoke the polygon command again. Keep the number of sides equal to 5. Specify the center of the polygon. So we are going to take the same center to see the difference between the two options. And this time select the option of inscribed in a circle. Click on inscribed and specify the radius as 15. Press enter. And here you can see that for both of these polygons, we specified the same center. We specified the same radius. But for one, we selected circumscribed. And for the other one, we selected inscribed. Let's make a circle of the same radius to see the difference between the two. Select circle. Select the center point of the circle and specify the radius of the circle as 15. Press enter. And you can see that this polygon is inscribed in a circle of 15 unit radius. And this polygon is circumscribed about a circle having 15 unit radius. Let's go to the polygon command again. Keep number of sides equal to 5. And this time, instead of defining a center, let's select edge. So it's asking you to specify the first point of the edge. So you can either type the coordinates or you can click on the screen. Then it asks you to specify the second corner point. You can specify the length of the edge and also you can specify the angle. So let's keep the length of the edge of polygon as 20. Press angle bracket on the keyboard and specify the inclination. So I'm going to keep the inclination as 30. Type 30 and press enter. So you have got a polygon having the edge length equal to 20 and inclination of 30 degrees. So these are the 3 options you can use to draw a polygon in AutoCAD.